Not for 20 years plus has there been such demand for a new business strategy, revised business processes and associated IT skills in an area that is set to enable innovative customer experiences amongst many other reasons. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform from Dassault Systèmes is grabbing the attention of enterprises around the world faster than there are resources to implement it. Still to this day, there are less than 50% of the required skills around the world to deliver on the implementations. Large enterprise-wide projects, both at a complex industrial, sophisticated engineering design and consumer experience design level, are underway and more are arriving faster and faster. But where are the skills to deliver? Macro demand drivers. Let's be honest, the world has shifted hugely since the internet arrived. What was once regarded as a fad and overhyped is now one of the backbones of our society. It has changed our lifestyle expectations in terms of how we transact, how we operate, how we communicate, and now how we experience both what we own or, more relevantly, what we share. We are in the experience economy, and it is no longer about product-centric, but instead about consumer experience-centric. It's not about the capabilities of a product, but the experience and usage it gives a customer. But that's not all. There remain many organizations looking inward, not just outward, and looking to optimize their internal operational experiences. In other words, they're looking to optimize their manufacturing production through asset lifecycle, and for that they too must innovate through rapid collaboration and intelligence. Intelligence platforms. So given we should all be looking to improve our customer experience, or at the very least be optimizing what we do within, what is out there to help us innovate? It's called platformization, or as I often call it, PLM 4.0, a digital innovation environment that connects the ecosystem from customer to designer, from manufacturer to supplier, from manager to marketer, and everything in between. Connecting those parties to a single source of design, development, analytics, customer, financial, and logistics information seamlessly. Options are promoting themselves. Many marketing focused, but with limited reach into the product data, and then the more sophisticated that capture the complexities of sophisticated products and start from a product/asset lifecycle management perspective. We continue to review many that are out there, but we have been intrigued most by the functionality of the following. Dassault Systèmes 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Right now, leading the charge with its simple and pleasing compass dial user interface, overlaying a wealth of product lifecycle, ecosystem analytics, and data combined with the dynamic visual simulation models and communication channels. Then we have PTC's ThingsWorks. It's less of a product innovation platform and more of an analytics platform, but one of the first entrants into the market, bringing the direct data capture from the industrial Internet of Things to a collaborative platform. Combine this now with the recent Rockwell Automation partnership, in fact $1 billion of it, and it looks like a fascinating option that we should be considering. Then we have the Siemens Smart Innovation Platform, or Digital Innovation Platform. We love the overall power and capabilities of the Siemens business, with so many offerings, so much functionality ready to be pulled together in a well-packaged product innovation platform. Then there's the newcomers, relative newcomers of Oris Innovator, fast drawing the attention of the companies desiring an open platform to engage with the existing or future flexible choices. It's an interesting charging model, there's no doubt about it, as you can download it for free and wait till you get to almost go live, and it's always worth our consideration. Then we have SAP PLM. Now, I know die-hard product lifecycle management users rarely look at SAP's PLM, given its more enterprise management approach, but we suggest to never ever underestimate the power of SAP. Their loyal customer base, process data ownership, and where it's aiming with its Leonardo offering. SAP PLM sits on a robust system, there's no doubt about it, and documentation approach, and is always there to be considered. Lastly, from our perspective, is the Autodesk Fusion 360. It's an adept platform, and having used their CAD for years personally across various real estate projects, I'm looking forward to see it compete in the years ahead. The market demand today. Dassault Systèmes' Bernard Chalez is arguably one of the product innovation global visionaries, and I've personally been captured by both him and by Dassault's 3DEXPERIENCE platform for its boldness, its aesthetics, and appreciation of the fourth industrial revolution and its future. The world is taking note. Over the last few months, if not years, the 3DEXPERIENCE attention is now demanding at unprecedented levels. Until recently, the market carried the cynicism surrounding the challenges of JLR and the Ericsson programs. In fact, you could even read a recent report, albeit not exactly truthful. But things have changed, things have turned around, and with new leadership, these amazing projects are stamping their mark on the platform innovation platform future. As a result, already some of the biggest companies in the world have and are installing the platform to both innovate customer experiences and or to optimize their asset life cycles. Aerospace, luxury autos, trucks, Formula One, retail, fashion, semiconductors, CPG, and now even more recently the oil and gas companies have started to move in and optimize their information management through a platform. Resource shortfall. I was told in the last few months that Bernard Chalez has wanted by now some 6,000 people capable globally of implementing the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. But today there are just over 3,000. Customers who choose the platform as a best of breed deserve the very best skills to deliver. They deserve people who understand their business, its processes, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform technology, implementation challenges, solutions, and the new digital culture 4.0 of agility, fail fast, learn quicker, and collaboration. For many, many months now, we've been gradually talking to the skills in the market across Europe, North America, and Asia, understanding their personal goals and their personal strategies. It's really exciting to hear the passion for the platform, but many are unaware of the rapid emergence in demand for the platform and the future that lies ahead for their newfound skills. It reminds me of my time way back in the SAP ERP wave of the late 90s, when being in the right place at the right time meant newfound wealth for many. However, it was those with the passion, the determination to excel at what they did and to focus on the prize of making a difference within the organization that prospered most over the long term. Today, we seek out those with the same passion for and experience of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and its many associated applications. That talent deserves a position within an organization and project that appreciates what they do. Now, if that's you, let's talk to you, and together we'll explore your future. The solution. Well, today our efforts to find the very best are starting to pay off in finding great 3DEXPERIENCE platform people. Those great 3DEXPERIENCE platform projects we can see already an emerging shortage of good people around the world. So what must we do? Number one, we should look after what we already have. There are people with good experiences already, and we owe it to them to invest in them to enhance their business, their industry, technical and cultural skills on an ongoing basis. Treat them like family, invest in their future. No 3DEXPERIENCE platform consultant should be left to merely get on with their job. They need investment, they need to be paid right for the market, and we need to treat them well for all of our futures. Number two, let's bring more attention to the platform. We need to tell the world what is going on and why. We need to bring attention to the platform so that more take up an interest, invest in themselves, and start to learn these newfound skills. Transportable skills. Not only is there a shortage of skills, but it's very clear that much of the talent is in the wrong place at the wrong time. And we need to be freeing up those borders to allow the transportation of skills around the world to those high impact companies that need them. So open up those borders, open up those work permits, and let's get the right people into the right place at the right time. Next, we need to start retraining. There are some great people out there with the predecessors of 3DEXPERIENCE, namely Matrix 1 and V6 platform. They're bright, they know industry, they know business and PLM, but need someone to invest in them to bring them through as a strong 3DEXPERIENCE consultant. We could start up our own centers of excellence, establish a physical platform, namely your COE. Start up your 3DEXPERIENCE COE with a core team of staff and some contractors, if you will, and start to build your industry platform models while employing new rookies for training. Start to build your resources for the future. Making a difference. We've been through a high demand, low supply resource market before, but not ever one that can bring a such positive difference to the world that we live in. Product innovation platforms and the platformization for enhanced customer experiences, be that in how we consume, live, work and play, is the way of the future. And it's hard to imagine a more exciting place to be with resourcing from within. Well done, Bernard. You've got us motivated and you've got us working harder than ever before to deliver your vision.